Phasalo Earth Observation Satellite 8 eba EUS-8 rocket space horkha ISRO o rocket ISRO ni jotoni sai chikon rocket shalkisa sukangno ISRO kaisa rocket sanamka 15 August eba hakotor yoksamani salo o rocket launch khlainani wansukmani phiaba kisa technical problem ngoni bagai launch khlaijakliya abono kari a salo Andhra Pradesh ni Sriharikota ni Satish Dhawan Space Center ni puila launch pad ni simi 9:19 am o rocket launch khlaijaka ISRO saklaika je rocket launch khlaimani success angkha thane bisisa bisini romui chikonsa rocket no tuye samung khlainani changkha ISRO 34 meter kologo rocket 500 kg hai chikon satellite rokno tuye mano asalo o rocket kaitham payload no tuye birkha a kaitham payload angkha electro optical infrared payload global navigation satellite system reflectometry payload te SIC UV dosimeter.
Third development flight of SSLV D3 with the EOS-08 satellite has been successfully accomplished. The rocket has placed the spacecraft in the very precise orbit as planned. I find that there are no deviations in the injection conditions. The final orbit, of course, will be known after tracking, but the current indication is that everything is perfect. The EOS-08 satellite as well as SR-0 satellite also has been injected after the maneuvers. And congratulations to the SSLV D3 team, the project team. With this third development flight of SSLV, we can declare the development process of SSLV is completed. And congratulations now. So we are on the process of transfer of the technology of SSLV to industries and for serial production and launches of SSLV in a commercial basis. So it's a great beginning for the rocket, the small satellite launch vehicle. And for us, the payload on this mission was EOS-08 satellite, which all of you are aware. It is an experimental satellite designed and realized by ISRO for proving many technologies, including very important payloads. And I am hoping that all of this will be proven in due course of time. As I am aware, the satellite solar panels have already been deployed. Further, we are looking for certain activities in the the VTM stage, and all that will be completed in due course of time. So congratulations once again for the entire team who worked behind the scene to develop this SSLV rocket and its culmination of development program. Let us give a big round of applause to the entire team.
Bureau report, Kokhara.